It is about 11:30, 11:35. I'm gonna head for breakfast somewhere and get my Bike Brew book stamped while I'm up here somewhere. But before that, there's a lake a bit further down. I'm gonna stop off and give my water drone a bit of a test. I've got it with me. I was hoping to do some more water shots because I didn't take the opportunity to give myself some time down by the river. So I'm going to pass by now just quickly, test it out on the water, make sure I'm equipped with the way it works. It's a beautiful ride down here though. It really is a nice ride down this road. Full of twisties and twirlies and scenery. Beautiful Sunday morning.
Realizing that we couldn't actually go into the water, I saw a family and asked very nicely if they would test my drone out for me, which happily they did.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, that was a good little test. At least I know now for myself that it works over water. All I have to do now is come back and do this again properly myself. So before that can happen, I'm just going to go and get some breakfast and get my Bike Brew passport stamped. Right, so I've just parked up. I'm gonna go and get a slice of cake and a drink. So guys, here's my next stamp, passport. Lovely. Go. Number 2. Right. Never had this drink before. And a nice cake.
Yeah, well, that's it. And a coffee.
It's a late breakfast.
So while I was inside, the owner was outside and he was checking out my bike.
No way!
And afterwards he showed me his
is really
Honda
nice.
Monkey. Couldn't believe the sound of this thing. Sometime later, I came back to the same spot to have a go at testing the drone myself. But first things first, let's blow the boat up. Yes, this is the first time I'm rowing, but I can swim, just in case you're worried. after a while, I began to develop a bit of a rhythm. So I came back and got the drone ready. First attempt, that didn't go so well. It went the wrong way. But if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. However, trying to retrieve the drone in midair wasn't as easy as it would seem. If I don't get this thing before the battery runs out, I might have to go for a swim. Whew. Okay. That, as they say, is that.